Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to light mode Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10. How to light mode Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the general menu. Now here it is in the general menu. Scroll down to find the appearance menu. Now next. There are three options. Tap Light Mode. So that's it, the How to Light Mode Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10 tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.